Okay, so a few notes on applying materials in Blender. Before I do this, I'm going to, in edit mode, I'm going to subdivide this, and I'm going to add, let's say 4 cuts. And I'm going to put this in face select mode. So, and then I'm also going to change to my viewport shading to material preview so I can see the changes that I make to the material more easily. If I go to my material properties, I can make changes to the material. There's a bunch of things. We're just going to keep this very simple today and just deal with colors. But if, for example, if I click on the base color and I change it to red, my cube is now going to be red. If I want to have multiple materials on the item, there's a few ways that I can get at this. So first of all, let me change my shading to my shading layout. And we're not going to get into dealing with the nodes, but one thing that I can do is if you are dealing with this and working with things on this level, one thing you can do is you can simply copy a material. And now I've got a material 001 that has been applied to this cube. Now the problem here is that that has replaced material 002. So for example, material 001 is something that I want to be the default white color. I don't have the original material on. So what I need to do is I need to create additional slots. Every mesh, every object, every item needs to have a slot for every material that's going to be on it. So you do that simply by going to the materials properties area and selecting the plus sign. So now I've got an additional slot. With that slot selected, I can go down and I can apply the other material. Now the problem is that material is in the slots, but it's not applied to anything on this cube. And that's because I haven't told the cube what should be that material. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go around and I'm just going to select maybe these items, these faces. And if I go ahead and if I now apply this material that I've got selected in this slot and assign it, we'll now see that that's what we have. I can also create and assign materials right here. So if, for example, I create a new slot, you'll see that there is a button for the materials. If I choose to, I can go right here to the new button and selecting new material. And by default, it chose it to be material 002. And material 002, I can go ahead and let's make this blue. And similarly, I can go around and I can select where I would like that applied. And as before, push the assign button.